Hey everybody, welcome to Tigner Adventures. Hey, if we don't say it enough, thanks for coming along with us. We do appreciate you watching our videos. Today we have arrived at Thunderbird Thousand Trails. This is located, yeah, this is located just out of Monroe, Washington. Oh, we got a motorcycle going by. There's a highway that actually separates half of the campground from the other half of the campground. So, yeah, the ones that are on the river side are on the other side of the campground. They don't have sewer, they just have water and electric. But we're on the, yeah, they have a river. Probably have some good views. We're gonna go check it out. But anyway, we're in the main area of the campground and we are so excited to go to the hot tub. We left Leavenworth because they didn't have one.
They had a beautiful Olympic-sized pool.
Yes, but we came down here. We got some friends. Our membership clerk, niece, her daughter works at this resort, so she got us a reservation for the next couple nights. So we're going to hang out here and check it out. We're going to take you around the park and just kind of show you around a little bit because this is an interesting park. It's a lot smaller than Leavenworth. Leavenworth is huge. But anyway, yeah. But anyway, so let's show you around a little bit. So this is the Thousand Trails Thunderbird. This is the turn in, and you make a sharp right turn here. Kind of an interesting setup. You turn in over here, and this is where you arrive, which is a big loop. So you just kind of park over there, and the shed or the ranger shack is up there. You park over by there and talk to the ranger, and then you do a U-E right there, come back and go up this road. So this is the actual entrance up the road here. And as we get closer to the ranger shack, you can see there's only one lane here going in. So that's why they have this section over here, so that the RVs don't cause a big bottleneck over here. After we go through the gate with the ranger, this little entrance area here on the right is a little park area where you can have picnics and whatever, get-togethers. And on the left is a parking for rabbits. Do you see that rabbit out there? So a jackrabbit just laying there. But anyway, eating his lunch. So anyway, this is the overflow parking and where you can park your extra vehicles and things. Drive up along this road. It's a two-way road up past these yurts and up across this bridge. Really nice creek running down to the river. Can't see too much of it, but it's nice. And then we get up here and we take a right. And that starts our one way going down the hill. So here's the area here. This membership specialist is here. And our laundry. So let's see if the membership specialist is here. Nope. Oh. You have to have a code to get into laundry, and I don't remember what it is. So, oh, door's open on the inside. Hi.
Hello. Walking tour?
Yeah. Here is the laundry room. Lots of fine machines here. And it looks like they use this program to be able to run them and pay for them. So you do have to have an account with that. But other than that, it looks like pretty good machines. Across from the laundry is this big red barn. And if we pan across this way, we have the bathrooms right there and the pool and everything. So we're gonna check the pool out first and then we'll go to the barn. So this is the pool. Right there is the hot tub. We hear it's really good, but it got closed down right after we got here. It has a leak in the line, they're working on it. And then that's the big pool over there. So this one pool, the first little pool I showed you over here is a lap pool. for swimming laps. So it's nice that you're separate from everybody else. And then right here to the side of the pool is a shuffleboard court. And right up there is a basketball stand where they can play basketball and everything. It's kind of one that you can move around because they do have a flagpole. So it looks like it's kind of a meeting area for activities and things. Here is the barn. The entrance is right down here. So we're gonna go through this door here. Come into the barn. Look at this fun little game area. Nice tables. TV. Little kids area over here. They even have a nice little drink machine over here. But look at all these games. This is kind of fun. Well, I mean, we're kids, but you know, I guess we're not that much of a kid. We're not going to play, but looks like someone's been playing. We have this cool path through here. So it's kind of a shortcut to the camping area on this side of the highway. Come right over here to the swimming pool and everything. Instead of walking down the road to get around the area, we can just take a shortcut right through this path. This is pretty cool. And there's a little secret here. So this is kind of funny. Oh, there it is right there. Look at that skeleton sitting at the table. That's right. They've been there for a while. So that's where you drive in. This is a one-way road. So you come in on this road right here, and then you circle around here by the play area for the kids. And then there's two roads that go up into the park. So it's a pretty small park and easy to walk. Yep, lots of trees. So.
And does it have smell-o-vision? Because the smell of
Oh,
pine
it's
is
too bad that we don't have smell-o-vision. Because yeah, it does smell very nice here.
very piney.
Nice little miniature golf course right here. Another little picnic area right here that you can come over here and sit at and enjoy the shade. Another thing Ninette's noticed though is it's very humid today. We're not used to humidity. So not sure what we're gonna do when we go to Florida. This is the horseshoe area, but it's definitely been a while since they've done any horseshoes here. So, kind of interesting. But hey, you know, they have these orange cones sticking there where the poles are, so at least you know where they're at. They have parking here along the river too. The river's right through there. Parking on both sides here. Back in, water and electric only on this side. But if you pan around here, ooh, and on the other side of this county road, is the rest of the Thousand Trails, and that's where we are, is back up in there. And also that's the pool over there and the big barn. At the end of this little walkway is this nice little bridge over the other side of this stream. Pretty fun. Nice little creek down here.
Look at the moss on the trees.
Yeah. What a pretty
You're
area.
in the Pacific Northwest. You got
True.
ferns and moss.
Yep. We're walking across the bridge here over to the lounge. A little lounge outside area here, and then you walk through that door to get into the lounge. So, nice rest area. Okay, we just walked into the little lounge over here. Look, we've got a TV, a fireplace, nice little place to lounge around. They do have free Wi-Fi. And also paid Wi-Fi here. You can see one thing that's nice about this area over here is north is pointing that way. So very little interference for Starlink. And you're backed right up to the river here, so you get a nice view over there of the river. So pretty nice. They do have a dock down here at the end. And this is the end of the area. Look at this. So this is the river access for members. This site here is got a premium spot. They're an annual, so that's one thing. Thousand Trails does sell annual sites, so
Yeah, but we heard in Florida, and prime place is $6,000 for 3 months.
Yeah, didn't say it was cheap. So, but you can stay here all year long. And apparently,
People,
someone was also saying that the dues to do that, when they pay for an annual site, they also have to buy a camping pass for their dues portion. So, interesting. But this is the river access. How fun. Look, there's a family over there and checking out the river. But could have a lot of fun on this river. It's not flowing too fast. Yeah. I think when the lake's down a little bit, or the river's down a little bit, they made a little place they could sit in right there. All right, that was the tour of Thousand Trails Thunderbird.
Yes.
So, pretty interesting little park. Nice, a lot of nice people.
yeah, a lot of nice
Unfortunately, it wasn't long after we got here that they sprung a leak or something in the hot tub, so they had to shut it down. And so it's like,
It's just our luck.
I know, we drove all this way so that we could get the hot tub. So yeah, well, but hey, the next spot's supposed to have a hot tub, so maybe we'll get a hot
likes
tub.
It. She's been out all day enjoying the. Now this is the wetter side. We were on the drier side, and this is dropped down into the.
Well, we're on the other. Yeah, we're on the other side of the Cascades.
We're on the top up at Leavenworth.
Yeah, that's
but
true.
But this is more of the.
We're on the side. We're on the Seattle side, so.
It's more moist.
It's definitely more moist.
You can smell the pine in the air. You can.
Yeah, more humid.
Yep.
So.
Oh, that's what I meant by moist. Sorry.
Okay.
Humid.
So, anyway, it's been fun. We got here.
It's a cute little park. We wanted to check it out.
We wanted to check it out, and we want to thank Rachel and Denise for getting us all set up.
Yeah.
They went out of their way to take care of us, and we really do appreciate that. And we are trying to, kind of see if we can hit all the different Thousand Trails. And we're not going to. There's quite a few of them here in Washington. The next one that we're headed to is LaConner, which is up by Burlingham. I guess that's the name of the town. So anyway, we're going to go up that way. So we will be taking off tomorrow and heading that way. That's actually an interesting one because it's on a reservation, so Indian reservation. So we're going to kind of see how that all works out. But this has been a fun little park, and it's small.
There's pickleball there.
Oh, and there is pickleball there.
And hopefully the hot tub will be working.
Yeah. So, anyway, so you guys all take care, and hopefully we'll see you down the road somewhere. And if not, then just on our next video. So see ya.
Bye. Bye, Kenzie.